Okay, so the first question we need to solve for the extra credit for test 2 part 2 is this question. So in order to solve this question, what I did was T2 times 0.6 is equal to mg minus T1 equal to 8 times 10 minus 223 over 8. Okay, so I used this equation to solve this problem, and next we're just going to simplify. So we have 80 minus 66.1, and this is approximately 13 to the 8th. To the 8th. So now that we have this value, we can go ahead and use this part of the equation to solve this question. So we know that T2 times 0.6 is equal to mg. So we can transform this, and since we're trying to find T2, then we can say that T2 is equal to mg, which we know from here is 13 to the 8th divided by 0.6. Now if we solve this, we know that it's approximately 23 newtons. So this is the tension, which is what we were trying to find. So the answer would be A, because it says it's what's closest to, and we got approximately 23.